All right, you guys, we're back for day 2 at the house. We brought over all of our cleaning supplies and we are cleaning everything just because we don't know what they did here. We want to make sure it's sanitized all for us. So we're gonna go room by room, mop, dust, Lysol, and kill everything that was in here. Because then we have paint swatches, so we're gonna hang them up on the wall and pick out paint because my brother works at Sherwin-Williams, so we get to use his discount, which is pretty hefty, which is great. Fire's not on, electric's not on, we're about to get dirty, sweaty, so should we Lysol like the light switches and stuff?
Yeah, I mean, I'll start sweeping, right?
No, we need to sweep first.
I'll start sweeping.
We're also being fueled by Wawa coffee. Our lovely sellers left us this Tinkerbell. Why? I don't know, but she needs to go in the garbage.
Like the thing at Disney every night where they still do that?
I don't know with COVID.
No, but you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
She swings from the castle.
Yeah, she swings into the trash can. So our next chore is to tackle the kitchen, wipe all these cabinets down, clean this off. Do you want to clean the fridge while it's empty and while it's not on? Okay. Grizzle gray and peppercorn. We got a lot of swatches because well, Casey's painting the whole house. Are you so excited?
What was up there?
I don't know, maybe a painting or something.
Yeah, because it was down here and then...
All right, can we go tape up the other swatches in the living room and stuff? Y'all, this bedroom is so freaking blue. I hate this blue. I hate it. I hate it.
Oh, I like this one. It's so weird.
I know, that's why I wanted to do it in the daylight.
Yeah.
So we have our swatches on the wall and we're like going back and forth with the white for the baseboards because they're white down here. So these are the options that we have for the walls in here. We have Reflection, which is I think a second runner-up, Lullaby, Samovar Silver. I think Olympus White is too blue. And then these look beige even though they're gray, but I think we like Lullaby for the entire room. And then ceiling white for the baseboards just because it's so like crisp. And then we have these two in here, but Casey was saying he likes Essential Gray compared to Repose Gray. And I think this is like a special line at Sherwin-Williams.
I think this Grizzle Gray I put it on this wall so the light's behind me.
Yeah.
But this has like the slightest green.
Do you like it in
to it.
here or no?
Yeah, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, because if this is gonna be like an all wood with this light green.
Do you want the wood and then the vinyl wall over here?
Yeah, my dad. So this is gonna go here with the wood.
Yeah, the tricolor.
Whatever kind we get.
Okay.
And then paint, but this is gonna be the vinyl.
The record wall.
Yeah.
But you want these two to be the same color?
Well, what I'm probably gonna do is paint them all, want the same color.
And then put stuff over it. This one is gonna go out here.
You want the kitchen to be separate color, you don't have to be all the same color?
No, paint it the same color. I was thinking this one over on this wall because this is gonna be our bar. And if we have this all black, then we have the lights that we're gonna, you know, like put in here.
What did you want that one?
I wanted that to be like a wallpapered like texture.
Okay.
So like, but also like dark.
So how far is the bar gonna come out?
You're falling. So we went to Target. This is the front of our house. We went to Target and we got a doormat, a new one, because we're gonna toss our other one out. But it's so cute and it says, I hope you brought wine. I'm gonna go put it out and then you guys will probably be able to see it better versus in the shadows of this trunk. I'm gonna show you guys my mat, so cute. We got cleaning stuff though. So we got paper plates because we're gonna dump baking soda on it, put it in the fridge because it is disgusting. We got another trash can. Can you put this in our room? We were missing a trash can at our Target, so at our new Target they have them. Let's see what else we got. Girly stuff, girly stuff. 409. I have not seen this in a year and a half, so I scooped up 2 of them. This house smells so bad. So we got heavy duty Febreze. Just spraying here. Casey was like, heavy duty, heavy duty, heavy duty. I want heavy duty. I said, okay. We will get the value pack if you want to start spraying that. Colombian coffee, take out more of the stench. And 2 things of baking soda to go on the plates and in the fridge. You have the keys.
No, I just have keys.
So that is our little Target haul. My battery's dying, but I do have another battery. So Casey's doing the baking soda right now. What do you want to do with the coffee for out here? Oh, okay. Did you spray any of this?
No.
Okay. So we'll see if the Febreze works. You really, huh?
Where's the other one?
What?
I want a dual wheel.
In the back. Oh, right there. This house is gonna have so many smells. And then we have our lawnmower that we bought yesterday. Someone told me on Instagram that this lawnmower sucks, but we really don't have a yard. In the little yard we do have, she says should be okay with this, but hers broke. So we're gonna try it out. Casey is still spraying every room in the house. It is so clean though. At least
It looks better.
the floors are.
You just see like the shitty paint job. Oh wow, I said the shitty paint job they did.
Oh. Beebs is leaving me now. He's leaving me to clean the apartment because he scheduled our inspection for tomorrow, and it needs a scrub. And now he's out. He's going to Tampa to leave me all alone to
You
suffer.
can text your mom and tell them I can pick up the microwave thing.
I think they want to bring it over.
They went to? Today?
Not today, just in like 2 weeks.
So they're gonna bring it over here?
Yeah, they want to see the house.
Oh, okay.
So, see you later. So off he goes, and I'm left to do all the cleaning, but that is my chore, is to do all the cleaning, and he does all the cooking. Here we are. I literally just wiped down all of the baseboards. I started my new pile to take over tomorrow because I have to turn the breakers off at the house so Duke Energy can turn the power on. So I'm gonna take over this box, this bag, our fake tree, and some decorations and my yoga mat. But I'm gonna go ahead, close up this vlog here. Welcome to day 2 of our house series, and I'll catch you in the next adventure. Bye guys.